Hello, it's Christian with Mate. The Apple TV is our pick for streaming TV. There may be some local channels that are not available, or you may be concerned about having access to news during severe weather. The HD Home Run is a device that takes over-the-air TV and streams it to your Apple TV. Plug in the HD Home Run, screw on the antenna, and plug it into your network. Open the App Store on your Apple TV, go to Search, then find Channels Live TV. Purchase it, and when you open the Channels app, it will automatically find the HD Home Run. You may see a prompt to upgrade its firmware. If so, please select Upgrade. You'll need to scan for channels. This should only take a minute. Once complete, press the menu button, then select Guide at the top of the screen. Scroll down and select a show to start watching. If you don't see a particular channel, you may need to move your antenna and try scanning again. This works without internet or cable, so it's a great backup option during a service outage. Thanks, and have a great day. Check out the plus sign in the Mate app for links to products to take your HomeKit to the next level.